Good luck. The bricks. No one's working. Was that the mosque? Right. I saw some people at the mosque.
Some worker people here are living. Family.
So they're making the bricks. Then that's where the workers live.
Yeah, worker people now. Family.
Children playing cricket. Which river is this river?
This is a small lake. River.
Oh, it's a lake. Okay.
This is main road and over there and big river.
Yeah.
You go to walk.
Okay. Walk.
No problem. You should go.
Thank you. Yeah, it's really interesting. You can just walk into places. What is this for? I wonder.
Firing the inside maybe. People will see the many things collect, no selling, and I
Yes.
like that.
Oh, that's so great. There's the workers' house. There must be a lot of clay in Bangladesh because they make so many bricks. Like the mud, you have good for making bricks. They make a lot of bricks.
Your home knows some factory.
For bricks?
Brick factory, no.
No.
No city.
No.
Nothing.
No. Yeah, I wonder if we import our bricks from you guys. I don't know. Oh, they walk up the planks. It must be really very hot to work when the oven's going. Yeah, a little hot, huh? Mm-hmm. nothing. How much money do you think a brick maker? How much money do they make working at the factory? Like a worker.
Per day maybe there's 1,000.
1,000 taka
Dhaka.
is like $9.
Maybe sometime overtime. You
Okay.
have fixed time about 8 hours or something. You have more working,
Yes.
you get extra money. Making fish, lot of fish here.
Ah, yeah, you can smell the fish.
The fish.
Oh yeah, wow, it smells like fish. But it's stocked, huh?
No, big fish, the lake, small river on the lake.
Right. Oh, that's why you're saying like river fish is better. It's more
Across
fresh,
on the other
huh?
side you see the river.
Ah. But
इसको लगी कास्टमर पर ना है कोई वर्कर दिन ना एक तो
that's the company ABS. S and U.
selling price 18
SB.
taka 20 taka per piece
20 taka for one brick.
per on brick, yeah.
It's like 20 cents.
Somebody needed buy here a little cheaper and trap, you know.
Yeah.
Delicate trap.
Ah.
This is totally worker people are rest sometimes here.
The workers rest in that hut.
This is how it's home.
Is that some highway up there?
This is highway.
It's empty. Oh, there's already one man in there, huh? Oh, no, nobody there.
Dumb,
Oh, so they put that down and they sit.
somebody like sit
Right.
like this. This is from
Maybe they
bed.
lay there. Yeah. So they sleep there at night when they work. So they live here for a while, then work, and then they go home.
Yeah, right, right. This is making the line sometimes.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes ready and then go fire. Yeah, fire.
So out here. Oh, even that was some mud. They used the mud